Welcome back to the show, Boss Uncaged. On today's show, we got a special guest, my man Cesar. How you doing today, sir?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well. So I guess the first thing it's you're like an industry marketing legend that kind of just walks in the shadows and pops up when you want to and pop in and out. And that's the way I kind of met you. You know, I kind of met you through Tycoons event, and you were just in the back of the room having a conversation, talking to people, and you had a group of people just huddling around you, and you're just giving out jewels. And I was like, who is this guy? So that's my first question to you. I mean, who are you?
Okay. Yeah. So my name is Greg Cesar. I've been in the game, boy. I started consulting people in 1997, 1998 timeframe.
Wow.
And so I've seen the full evolution of where the internet was to I was there when Google got started. I mean, when Yahoo was around. And around 2002, 2003 timeframe, I decided, hey, you know what? I'm helping people. This time I help myself. So I decided, let me start creating products and selling products versus just consulting. Mm-hmm. And I just got really good at selling products. And since then, I've sold eBooks and courses in over 100 different countries. I spoke on stages all over Europe, UK, Malaysia, Singapore, Jamaica, and all over the United States. Mastermind with some of the most brilliant people. And it's been a fun ride. And it's great to see where it's been to where it is now and excited about where it's going in the future.